Hey everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools. If your check engine light is on and you've got a P0043 code, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down what that code means and how you can fix it yourself, step by step. Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0043 stands for HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low Bank 1 Sensor 3. This error code is set when the Powertrain Control Module PCM perceives a problem in the operation of the heater element inside the oxygen O2 sensor. A multimeter to test the electrical circuit. A scan tool for diagnosing and clearing the code. A socket wrench set for removing the old oxygen sensor. Jack and jack stands for safely lifting the vehicle. And if needed, a new oxygen sensor specific to your vehicle. Safety is our top priority. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface and use a jack and jack stands to safely lift and secure the vehicle. Disconnect the battery before you begin any work on the electrical system to avoid any accidents. First, let's confirm the code. Connect your OBD-II scanner and check for the P0043 code. If it's present, we'll proceed with testing the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. Now, let's locate Bank 1 Sensor 3. It's typically the upstream sensor on the exhaust manifold, closest to the engine. We'll start by checking the sensor's heater circuit. Using a multimeter, test the resistance across the heater circuit terminals. The resistance should be within the manufacturer's specified range. If it's out of range, the sensor might be faulty. If the sensor is good, the next step is to check the wiring and connectors leading to the sensor. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If everything checks out, the issue could be with the ECM or a fuse related to the oxygen sensor circuit. If your sensor or wiring is faulty, it's time to replace the oxygen sensor. Carefully remove the old sensor using a socket wrench. Be mindful of the exhaust components, as they might still be hot. Install the new sensor by screwing it in place and reconnecting the wiring. With the new sensor in place, reconnect the battery and start your vehicle. Use the scan tool to clear the P0043 code. If the code doesn't return after a test drive, congratulations, you fixed the issue. And that's how you fix the P0043 code. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.